Hi everyone in LSC502. Welcome to the class. This is your instructor Mary Moen, and I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to navigate Sakai in this course. So when you log into Sakai, our learning management system, the home page is going to look something like this. On the top, you're going to have tabs that will list the courses this semester, and on the left here you have some menu options. The things that I suggest doing if you're new to Sakai or if you've never done it is go to the Profile tab here on the left and upload a picture of yourself or an avatar. I mean, that's basically all I have. I haven't done a lot setting anything else up, and you don't need to, but it's nice to have a face behind people's content. And the other thing I would have you do is go down to Preferences, and here's where you can have some control over how many emails you get notifying you of things happening in Sakai. So that's it for the home page. So you're going to find, to get to our class home page, you're going to go to LSC502 Fall 2018, and you're going to get to our class home page, the overview site. And here I welcomed you to the class. I have some contact information. And then what I'm going to do in this tutorial is just go through some of the more important tabs here on the left. Okay, so you'll see my instructions here on the Start, or to go to the Start Here tab. So let's take a look at that. And this gives you a brief description of the course, and then there's some things that you're going to do to kind of get acclimated to the course. You're watching this video now, and I want you to read through each of these things and complete the introduction activity. The syllabus you'll also find at this tab, and I give you a PDF of it, and I have a nice quick checklist of all the assignments due, and that's available to help keep you organized. This is the announcements tool, and I'm going to communicate through the class using this tool. So I will always have it high priority, so you'll be getting an email announcement saying that I've sent an announcement. And if you go in here, all the announcements for the course will be listed. So if you ever need to go back to any information that I've talked about, it's easily done through announcements. Then the course is actually divided into 3 modules. And they're opened, they're sort of time released to open. So I've only opened module 1 right now, but let's take a quick look at it. So this is a 5-week module. The learning objectives are here. We have weekly topics for each week. You're going to get used to these little icons here, the little bubbles of the discussion. That's the forum post, and you have a forum post each week. We have a case study, and we have some other assignments that you need to do. So this first page is actually an overview of the whole 5-week module. So if you want to go to the individual week, you click on that, and the pages are all set up similarly. There's required readings and optional supplemental readings here, and there's the assignments that you have to do. And the first assignment is the forum post for module 1, week 1. Let's take a look at what a forum post looks like. So if you go to the Forums tab, all the forums that are open will be listed here. And you can see how Module 1, Week 1, Week 2, and if you want to know what the prompts are, you're going to have to click on Full Description, and usually the prompts are going to have like 2 prompts, and I want you to address each, and then you're going to respond to at least 1 classmate's post. So you'll be starting a thread, answering these questions and reflecting and thinking, and then you're going to go back in and later in the week and respond to at least 1 classmate's post. This tab over here, rubrics. Some of you may not have used rubrics in your education because they're relatively new, but rubrics tell you what you're supposed to know, what you're supposed to show and do for the assignment, and it tells you it describes what meets the standard and above standard and approaching standard. So a lot of people go, oh, they do the assignment and they don't look at the rubric. Let me give you a hint. Look at the rubric before you do the assignment, so you know what to do. Speaking of assignments, here's the assignments tab. And again, the assignments will be time released as we get, I think I released them almost like 2 weeks prior, but there's just 2 listed now, so you can go in and take a look at those. Gradebook, this is where you go if you want to know how you're doing in the class. You'll see a grade for each of the assignments here. I try to keep this as up to date as possible. We have some academic integrity, a module here. We have a link to the URI libraries and information about the site, and these you probably won't really use, but go ahead and use the help if you're stuck trying to use Sakai in any way. They have that help page. So that's a quick overview of our Sakai homepage, and I'll see you all in our first synchronous online class on Monday, September 10th. Thank you.